Oh, hello, Tomato. Having a good day? Where's... Oh, this... Oh, hey, Greyberry. Oh, you look so cute. You guys are cute. Oh my god, guys. You guys are cute. Alright, guys. You guys are cute. You guys are so cute. You guys would make a perfect video. Greyberry and Tomato. Tomato's the red guy, is the red one. And Greyberry is the gray one. Aren't they so cute? Oh, guys are so good. Wait, let me go feed you guys. These are my parrots. They're named Greyberry and Tomato. We are reunited. So I haven't seen my parrots in years, and I finally see my parrots again, and today I'm gonna feed them. I got these parrots before I started YouTube, because I started YouTube about 7 months ago, and almost 7 months ago, and my parrots I got years ago. Let's go feed them. Tomato loves eating. Greyberry loves me. Alright, let's go feed them. Tomato, you wanna eat? You not hungry? Wait, it's so cute to see my parrots eat. So I hope Tomato eats. Oh, there she is. She's so cute eating. Wait, is she a she? Yeah, she's a girl. Alright. Alright. Let go. Alright. Tomato's eating. I think we should get some for Greyberry. Alright. I'm gonna go get some food for Greyberry. They're my parrots. Greyberry. Greyberry does deserve food. He hasn't eaten a lot. So let's go get his favorite. The ones that I'm picking for Greyberry are their favorites. The reason I'm getting the best one for Greyberry is because Tomato has eaten a lot. So I think Greyberry deserves to eat a little bit more. I hope he likes it, because he doesn't eat a lot. I'm not gonna lie. Wait, let me just take off this part, because there's a part that's poisonous for my parrots. So, not poisonous for me though. So, yeah, it's not edible for my parrots. And, wait, I'm gonna go get some scissors or something. Here's the ball. Let me just do a kick. Alright, now it's time to feed the parrots. Alright. In winter, we're gonna bring them inside with this cage over here. Alright, let's go feed Greyberry. If Greyberry doesn't want to eat, we're gonna feed this to Tomato. Hey, Greyberry, you want anything to eat, Greyberry? Oh my god, look at Tomato. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god. Let me go feed Greyberry. Hey, yo, Greyberry. Oh my god, why is he shy? Sorry. I guess he doesn't want to. Let's feed him tomato. Oh my god. Let him eat. If we just put it hard. Greyberry, eat. Oh yes, both of them are eating. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh my god. Looks like... Oh, they're fighting. Stop, guys. Share. Let's hope they share. Tomato's eating all of it. It's probably yummy. They should eat their real food. Oh my god, tomato. Oh, it just went on the ground by... Tomato, you wanna eat? Okay, buddy. Oh my god, why is it not working? Oh my god, tomato. So cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. So cute. Wait, let Greyberry eat. Oh. No, stop! Tomato, stop. Let Greyberry eat. Wait, I think I should... A little bit. Wait, let's feed him again. Oh my god, Tomato's stuck in his food. Oh my god, he's so cute. Let's hope it doesn't drop. Alright, let me hold it so it doesn't drop. Oh, look, Greyberry's eating. Wait, let me go closer so you can see Greyberry eat. Oh my god, so cute. I love my parrots too much. Oh my god, I'm so lucky to have pets. These pets are adorable. Sadly, not a lot of people have parrots. And if you don't have a parrot, you're missing out. These things are so cute. I mean, you're allowed not to keep them in a cage, but if I were you, I would keep them in a cage. I do not recommend overfeeding them. Only feed them when they're hungry. They're so cute. My god. Oh my god, you guys are adorable. I'm so lucky to have you guys. Look at you. Who's the most beautiful parrot in the world? It's you two. Oh, look at you guys. Please, guys, comment cute parrots. And if you don't think he's cute, that's fine. You can just say he's not too cute. If you don't think he's cute, you're allowed. Let me try to sneak it behind Tomato so Greyberry can eat a little bit. Oh, it's not. Oh my god. Cute. These parrots are so cute. These parrots are so cute, guys. I love these parrots. They're the cutest pets ever. Wait, I want to kind of pet him. Will you let me pet him? I think it's dangerous. Yeah, it's pretty dangerous. He will eat anything. Alright, I think it's enough of these cute little guys. I guess it's the end of the video. I'll take care of them in the next 2 hours. Bye.